In this video, we will be adding a mortgage calculator. So in a previous video, we added a search using an iframe. So we're going to do the same thing kind of. So the way we do that is we'll go back into our dashboard. We'll look at pages, and then we'll take our front page and we're going to clone it. And then we are going to take our draft and we're going to call this mortgage calculator. We'll just call it mortgage calculator. And we'll update it. And we'll also update the slug. All right, now we'll go edit. And within here, we'll open up the SEO settings. There we go, we got mortgage calculator. Same thing down here. And okay, now that we have all of that in place, we're going to publish. And we're going to view the page. And now we're going to update this. So we're going to edit. And we're just going to delete sections. So delete that section, delete that section. And then this section here is where we're going to put our mortgage calculator. So we're going to go one new row, text, and then we're going to use iframe code. So we're going to plug that in there. And then we're going to go get our actual mortgage calculator link. And we're going to update it. Just like that. We're just going to tighten things up. And then we're going to save it. So now we have a mortgage calculator. So now we're going to add it to our menu. So we'll go to menu. And you can see we have our new page. So we're going to add it to menu. And then we're going to drag it up. Put it in the ABC order. And I'm going to put it in each section. So I'm going to add it again. Then I'm going to drag it up to that section, and I need one more. And I need to drag this one to the top. I'm just putting it in the ABC order. All right, and now you can see we have mortgage calculator just like that. Pretty cool.